10 years ago, in my early 40s, I had nothing but a $2,000 emergency fund and was trapped in corporate hell, living paycheck to paycheck. Today, I run a 7-figure business. And I own a portfolio of rental properties, and most importantly, I've created the ultimate escape plan from the 9-to-5 grind. And I'm JD Gibson, the escape plan dad. And I've tested dozens of strategies, failed at most of them, so I know exactly what actually works and what's just shiny object syndrome. My passion is teaching you side hustles that actually work based on your existing skills and experience. Whether you need extra income to pay off debt or want to replace your corporate salary entirely and join me in full-time freedom. Look, I get it. You're watching this because you're exactly where I was. Maybe you're 35, maybe you're 45, and you're thinking, is this it? Is this really my life? You wake up every Monday with that pit in your stomach, knowing you're trading your time for money that barely covers the bills. You see your kids growing up while you're stuck in meetings about meetings. And your wife is handling everything at home because you're always grinding at a job that doesn't even appreciate you. And the worst part, you feel guilty for wanting more because you should be grateful for what you already have. But here's what nobody tells you. That feeling isn't selfish. It's your wake-up call. And I'm here to show you there's a way out that doesn't involve abandoning your family or taking massive risk with your mortgage money. 10 years ago, I was a pharmacist making over $140,000 a year, living what looked like an amazing life on the outside. You know, I had a 26-foot yellow sport boat, called that thing Wet Dream. I don't know what I was thinking, young and dumb, but get it. I had a yellow Corvette too. That thing was badass. And a fully loaded Tahoe and dirt bikes and a 4,000 square foot home with all the latest updates. But here's what nobody saw. I was terrified of financial ruin and drowning in debt. But despite my 6-figure income and professional degree, I had absolutely no financial education. I was stuck in the consumer mindset, maxing out credit cards to maintain that image while barely staying afloat. And the pressure was unbearable, and I felt like a complete fraud. You know what? Then I hit rock bottom. I had to file for good old Chapter 13 bankruptcy. That shame and embarrassment, they were crushing. But it absolutely became the wake-up call I desperately needed. That bankruptcy forced me to confront the truth. Being smart and educated meant nothing if I didn't understand how money actually worked. So I started educating myself about real financial literacy. Not the garbage they teach you in school. I learned about good debt versus bad debt, passive income, and how the wealthy actually think about money. And I discovered affiliate marketing, which taught me about sales funnels and online marketing. The real breakthrough came when I leveraged my pharmacy background to build a nationwide affiliate marketing business with pharmacy discount cards. And I went from bankruptcy to a multiple 7-figure business. But more importantly, I learned how to create true financial freedom. Today, I own multiple rental properties, run several businesses, and most importantly, I have the time and resources to build generational wealth for my family. This channel isn't about get-rich schemes or telling you to quit your day job tomorrow. Definitely don't want to do that. This is about building your escape plan systematically, using strategies that work for real dads with real responsibilities. You'll learn the exact business models I use that require minimal startup capital and can be run during nights and weekends. And I'll show you my real estate investing approach that focuses on cash flow, not appreciation gambles. And we'll cover personal finance strategies that actually move the needle, not just stop buying coffee advice. But more than tactics, you'll learn the mindset shifts that separate dreamers from achievers, and how to stay motivated when progress feels slow, how to handle your family's concerns about your side projects, and how to reinvest profits instead of lifestyle inflating your way back to broke. Every strategy I share is tested by me first. And I show you the failures alongside the successes because learning what doesn't work is just as valuable as learning what does. And here's what you can expect from this channel. Weekly deep dives where I break down different side hustle opportunities and show you which ones actually work for busy dads. And we'll compare everything from affiliate marketing to e-commerce, real estate investing to service-based businesses. I'll show you the real numbers, startup costs, and time commitment so you can pick the right path for your situation. And I'll compare different income strategies head to head. Should you start with, say, Amazon FBA or affiliate marketing, or is rental property better than dividend stocks? I test these strategies myself and show you the real results, not just the hype. Throughout the week, you'll get quick, actionable shorts reviewing the latest courses, programs, and opportunities flooding social media. I'll tell you what's worth your money and what's complete garbage, because I've wasted enough money on shiny objects that I can save you from the same mistakes. You'll also see behind the scenes content showing my actual affiliate marketing campaigns, real estate deals, and business strategies. I'll share my proven systems, honest income updates, and yes, my costly mistakes too, and there's a bunch of those because transparency totally builds trust. Plus, you'll get access to my side hustle comparison spreadsheets, ROI calculators, and step-by-step guides for getting started with affiliate marketing, discount card programs, and other proven income streams. Just real value delivered to help you build your escape plan. Now, here's my promise to you. I will never sell you a course in the first 30 seconds of a video. I won't promise overnight success or show you fake income screenshots. What I will do is give you actionable strategies that you can implement immediately. Honest assessments of what's working in today's economy, and the support system you need to stay consistent when things get tough. And they will get tough, I guarantee it. Building your escape plan isn't about working 80-hour weeks or ignoring your family. It's about being strategic with your time, smart with your money, and consistent with your actions. It's about creating options so that you are choosing to work, not forced to work. This journey isn't easy, but it's absolutely worth it. And you don't have to do it alone. Your escape plan can start today. The only question is, will you take action or stay stuck in the corporate hamster wheel? Don't wait for the perfect moment because it doesn't exist. I started my journey from bankruptcy with nothing but determination and a willingness to learn. And if I can do it, so can you. I guarantee it. And actually, I've got a perfect video right here that breaks down the top 7 side hustles that works best for busy dads, including the exact one that got me started. Click that video now and let's build your escape plan together.